everyone, this is Shivam here. As we have informed you in the WhatsApp group that Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies have released their form for February batch. So we are filling it out today. I'm telling you how to fill up the form. First of all, many students were asking that what is the criteria for DNS sponsorship for Feb batch. So here it is. We need to have more than 60% first of all. Everybody was saying that it should be have 65+% or 70+%, but not for Great Eastern. It is only 60%, and age limit is 17 to 24 year first. Now we are clicking the next page. Moving on to the next page, so we are filling the form for DNS. Just select the instruction side to DNS. Then here it is, application for DNS is selected. Now we have to upload the photo. Use like preferably JPG or PNG format. Okay, so I have selected my photo in JPG format. Then filling up the name, write your first name, like my first name is Mahindra officially. And if you have the middle name, you can write the middle name section. Your last name, your date of birth, your date of birth, and the mobile number. Then select the gender if you're male or female. Select the email ID. You have to write the email ID, not like select or copy or paste. You have to write your email ID. Otherwise, it will show the invalid email ID message like this. You will get the OTP on the registered email ID that you have entered here. You have to write the OTP. Then select the blood group. Your marital status, I guess it would be a single. Your nationality, that is Indian. Your Aadhaar card number. Your Aadhaar card number, check it is of 12 digits. Fill it correctly. If you have the PAN card number, I guess it is not. Your mother tongue, like mine is Hindi. Place of birth. And moving on to the physical details section. You have to write according to your physical fitness, like height in centimeter, weight in kgs. Do not use the decimal terms. It would be more preferable to write in accurate terms. And moving on to the personal details section. Click on personal details section. Your father's name, father's and guardian details would be there. Enter your father's name, father's occupation, the company he is working in, the designation he have, email ID if your father is having an email ID or you want to enter your father's email ID, the annual income of your father. It should be the annual income, not the monthly income. Mobile number of your father. Now moving on to the mother's detail. Enter your mother's name here, occupation, company she is working in, or if you're entering the occupation to not working, she is a homemaker. You can select just like not working or somewhat. So you don't have to fill company or designation or email address. So she's not working, the income should be 0. Mobile number of your mother if you want to enter here. But the father's mobile number is very essential as it is marked with a red star. Mother's mobile number is not very essential. Passport details. If you are applying for Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies, you should have passport or you have applied for the passport. So select if you have passport or not. If you will select no, you will get this pop-up notification that is passport is mandatory document. Without it, admission cannot be provided. If you continue apply, your candidature will not be accepted without the passport. You can apply Tatkal passport or apply again for the course of GEIMS after the recipient of passport. Okay. So as you have applied or you have passport, select yes. Enter the passport number here. Date of issue of your passport. You can see in passport receipt the date of issue of your passport. Place of issue. Enter the place of issue you have entered in the passport and the date up to which your passport is valid. You can see it in the passport receipt or in your passport if it is entered there. Now selecting the address details. Permanent address first, like your house building number, village post, tehsil you are living in, city or district you are living in, pin code of your locality. Select the state you are living in. Now corresponding address, like your permanent address or correspondence address will be same most of the time, so you have to copy or paste here, or you can click here if your correspondence address is as same as your permanent address. Okay. Now moving on to the qualification details section. You have to enter the academic qualifications here. First of all, your class 10th details, your class 12th details, your final qualification details. Like in your class 10th, The result status, it is always declared. Year of passing, that mine was 2022. English percentage, that was 96. And total percentage of a 10th, that is aggregate percentage, you have to enter it here. Specifically, do not enter any decimal values, use the accurate values. School or college you are studying in, board or universities, like mine was CBSE. Now entering the class 12 details here, that is result is declared. You have a like year of passing was 2024 this year, got 98 in English, and aggregate percentage of PCM here, school, college, and board university here. If you are in college, a college student, you can fill up this section here. You're eligible to fill up this section here. Moving on to the 12th section, PCM means here you have to fill the 12th details. Physics, like the marks you have got in physics, like mine was 95. Total marks, it was 100. Percentage, it will be calculated. You have to fill like your chemistry marks, out of which, and the percentage will be filled here. You have to enter your maths marks, out of which, and your percentage will be filled here. Now moving on to the IMUCD. Now when you will select the online payment option, you will get the amount you have to pay, that is 750 rupees. Now selecting the submit option. When you will click the submit option, you will be directed towards the payment gateway to pay the rupees of 750. Now you can choose UPI or credit card any way you want to do the payment, and now your form is completely filled. Thank you.